Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Slack project channels for compliance, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your Slack project channels for compliance, start by logging into your Slack workspace. Next, navigate to the channel you wish to back up. Click on the channel name at the top of the screen to access channel settings. Select additional options from the drop-down menu. Choose View Channel Details to see the channel's information. Now, take note of the channel's purpose, description, and pinned items. For message backup, you have a couple of options. You can either manually copy and paste messages or use a third-party tool. If choosing the manual method, scroll through the message history. Select the messages you want to back up. Copy the selected messages to your clipboard. Next, open a document or spreadsheet application to save the information. Paste the copied messages into your new document. For a more automated approach, research compatible Slack backup tools. Many tools can export messages and files directly from your workspace. Select a tool that meets your compliance needs. After installation, follow the tool's specific instructions to back up your channels. Ensure that all critical files, including shared documents, are also backed up. Review the backup settings to include all necessary data. Once everything is configured, initiate the backup process. Monitor the backup progress and verify the completion once finished. After the backup, store the data securely to comply with regulations. Regularly update your backup to keep your data current. Consider scheduling periodic backups as part of your compliance strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.